Yeah, Glenn and Lou, good afternoon to the two of you, and we're going to get to the closure here at Dodger Stadium, which does take effect tomorrow. But we're going to start this broadcast with some breaking news and some very encouraging news as we all want and look to an end of the coronavirus pandemic. We're going to start with the President of the United States, Joe Biden. He just met with some frontline healthcare workers, and after that meeting, he had a news conference with the media, and he says his administration has secured as many as 600 million doses of both the Pfizer and the Moderna vaccine, and he says they could go into the arms of as many as 300 million Americans. Those vaccines should be secured sometime by the end of July. So that's very good news in terms of looking for a beginning of the end of this pandemic. Meantime, I'm going to give you a live look behind us, and traffic has definitely dwindled as today is going to mark somewhat of an unfortunate day as thousands look to get inoculated here in LA County. The site is closing today, and the reason for that, I'll let the mayor of Los Angeles explain.
By tomorrow, the city will have exhausted its current supply of the Moderna vaccine for first dose appointments.
LA Mayor Eric Garcetti citing the reason the city is shutting down all 5 of its vaccination sites during his evening press briefing on Wednesday. The closure takes effect tomorrow and is expected to last until Tuesday.
This is not where I want to be. It's not where we deserve to be.
The mayor also expressing frustration at the lack of vaccines received by the city recently. According to Garcetti, the city was inoculating around 13,000 people per day at all 5 city sites.
Other cities with smaller populations are receiving more doses than our entire county with a larger population.
The city received only 16,000 doses this week. That's compared to 90,000 last week and 29,000 the week prior.
It is only fair that Los Angeles gets a steady supply to meet the moment of our need.
The mayor did say that anyone still needing the second dose of the Moderna vaccine will receive it. Also, county officials are keeping their sites open this week, but only for those waiting for the second dose. Meantime, the nation's top infectious disease expert is out with new guidance on when everyone outside of being 65 and older or healthcare workers can start getting the vaccine.
If you look at the projection, I would imagine by the time we get to April, that will be what I would call, for better wording, open season. Namely, virtually everybody and anybody in any category could start to get vaccinated.
Now, the mayor of Los Angeles also pointed out that one way some of the folks in lower income neighborhoods have been given the vaccine is through what are described as mobile units that have the vaccines inside of them. Places like South Los Angeles have them. And the mayor says those are going to stay open during that time, which is good news for folks looking to get inoculated on that front. Meantime, the mayor does say this site should reopen as early as Tuesday. If any of that information changes, we'll of course pass that right along. For now, Mark Messer, I'm live outside of Dodger Stadium, sending it back to the two of you in Hollywood.